Dear students, in this tutorial we will see full subtractor in digital electronics. So let us first see the block diagram. A, B, C, and two outputs. One is the difference and another is the borrow output, B naught. This is the full subtractor. So a full subtractor is a combinational circuit that performs the subtraction operation between two binary digits. These are the two digits, and we are taking into account the borrow from a lower significance stage. Okay, this is the borrow in, BO, borrow out. So this is the block diagram of the full subtractor circuit. So let us first make the truth table for full subtractor. We have three inputs, A, B, and this one is the borrow in denoted by capital C. So A, B, C, these are the three inputs, and we have difference and borrow out. We have three inputs, we will have 8 combinations. So 0 minus 0 minus 0 is equal to difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. So these are the differences and these are the borrow out. This is the truth table of the full subtractor. So now we will see the K-map for the difference. For these differences we will see the K-map and we will find an expression for the difference D. K-map for D. So 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0, and 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1. So we will get expression for each one bit. Therefore D equal to, for this term we have A B bar C bar, A B bar C bar, plus for this term A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C, plus for this term A B C, and for the last term we have A bar B C bar, A bar B C bar. From the first term and the last third term, so A if we take common, then we have B bar C bar plus BC, BC, plus if we take from the second and fourth term A bar common, B bar C plus BC bar equal to, this is the expression for XNOR. So A within bracket B XNOR C plus A bar, this is the expression for XOR gate, therefore we can write B XOR C. And we also know that the XNOR operation is the opposite or complement of the XOR operation, therefore we can write B XOR C whole bar plus A bar B XOR C. So from here we can see that if we consider it to be a one term, and here also a b bar suppose, and a bar be like that. So we can write a XOR b XOR c. So this is the expression for the difference term. Now let us find the K-map for the borrow out. So we have to put these values for this borrow in the K-map. So we can put the values here 0 1 1 1 and 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we take like this, and this one and this one take like this. So B out equal to, for this expression we get BC plus, for this expression we get A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C plus, and for this one we get A B C bar, A bar B C bar. So from here we can simplify it like this: BC plus A bar, if we take common, then we get B bar C plus BC bar. So this is the expression for XOR gate. So we can write it as BC plus A bar within bracket B XOR C. Now we will see the circuit diagram for the full subtractor. We have three inputs A, B and C. So we'll take three lines A, B and C. In both the difference and borrow out term we have B XOR C. So B, this one is the C. We will have to use an XOR gate to get B XOR C. So here we get B XOR C. And for this difference term we have A XOR. That means we have to do another XOR operation with A. So we get another XOR operation. So here we get A XOR B XOR C equal to, this is the difference. B XOR C we will take from here, and there is one A bar. Let's take A from here and take one complement, that means not get, and multiply this. That is, we will get AND gate. So A bar fall into B XOR C, and another term we have BC, BC. This is the AND operation, and we have to do another OR operation here. So we get the final borrow out term equal to BC plus A bar B XOR C. So this is the circuit diagram of full subtractor.